welcome to day 4 of our 30-day yoga trapeze for weight loss and fitness. Today we're going to be focusing on a powerful yoga flow, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to open up our hammock, take a seat, and then just taking the arms around, you can clasp your fingers or bring your palms together in front of your heart. We just want to get centered for a moment, taking a deep breath into the belly, the low ribs, the middle ribs, the top of the collarbone. Exhale, belly, low ribs, mid ribs, top of the collarbones. Breathing like that from the bottom, out through the bottom. Once more. Nice. Then inhaling up, nice and tall, reach the arms overhead. Lift the tailbone, open the heart. Exhale, tuck the tailbone round and reach. Once more, inhale and exhale. Inhale to lift and exhale. Nice. Then placing your right hand down onto your right thigh, reach over and through with the left. So my right arm is around the outside of the hammock, left arm coming through the fabric. Then inhale to sit up. Exhale, left arm comes around, grabbing the inside of that left thigh. Right arm lifts up. We're going to reach over and through to the inside of the hammock. Then nice and slow, sitting up. Exhale, take that left hand to the inside of the hammock, grabbing the outside of your right leg. Twist to look back behind you. Inhale up to center. Exhale, other side. Inhaling, gentle, open the heart. Exhale, tuck and round. You can clasp your fingers, press your palm forward. Inhale to sit up nice and tall. Beautiful. We'll go ahead and slide off of the hammock. We're going to step to the back, making sure that the hammock is just below your hips. So you want to make sure the height is right, so it's comfortably right below your hips. We're going to press down, walk the feet forward, then start to hinge forward at the hips. Bring your palms together, then inhale to rise up. We'll do that twice more. Exhale, hinging forward. My heels are lifted here, but if you want to step back and have the heels down, you can. Inhale to gentle back bend up. Exhale. Inhale to rise up. Holding here, breathing in and out. Once more. And then exhale. Rounding down. Can walk the feet back, coming into downward dog. So we're going to pedal our feet, really pressing the hips back and up. If you want more of a calf stretch, you can keep your feet more forward so the heels have a chance to drop towards the mat more. Just one more round of breath for some free movement. Then coming back into that downward dog. So I'm right underneath the hanging point, pressing into the palms, rounding through the shoulder blades, hips back and up. Then I'm going to exhale, lift my right leg. Exhale to lower. Twice more. Inhale to lift and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, keep that lifted. Then exhale, shift the shoulders over the wrist, tap your knee towards your shoulder. Inhale, press back. Twice more. Exhale and inhale. Exhale and inhale. Nice, then setting that foot down, left leg lifts. Exhale to lower. Inhale to lift. Exhale, tap. Twice more. Inhale and exhale. Then inhale to lift. Exhale, tap knee to shoulder as your shoulders shift. Inhale, press it back. Exhale, shoulders over wrist, knee to shoulder. Inhale, back. Once more. Exhale and inhale. Nice. Then we're going to lift both legs up. Bring the shoulders over the wrists underneath the shoulders, really press down. Then I'm going to walk my hips forward. So I'm going to lift my left hip slightly and then drag it forward, then press down into that hip, lift the other hip, drag it forward, press down. And keep doing that side to side until I get to just above my knees. Nice. Then I'm really pressing down into my left leg. Lift the right leg up, carry it out, bring the legs next to each other. So my right leg is free floating, but I'm holding it up. Then again, I'm gonna let it tap the ground and bring it up. So I inhale to tap, exhale, lift. Twice more. Inhale and exhale. Down and up, holding here. Then we're going to drop our right elbow down, coming into side plank, holding here, breathing in and out. If you want to add to this, you can drop that left leg to tap, exhale to lift. Twice more. Inhale and exhale, or just hold. Inhale, exhale, hold it here. Then placing that left hand back down, coming to the hands, step that right foot to the top of your mat. Then I'm going to spiral my hips together. So I'm pulling that left leg in, pressing down into the top of that left thigh. Inhale to rise up, sending that leg back. Nice. Then I'm going to exhale, hinge forward, bending into that knee. Inhale, straighten both legs, rise up. Exhale, press that leg back as you bend into your front knee. Inhale, pull the legs together and up. And exhale. Inhale to lift. Then exhale, I'm going to turn my back knee up, grabbing hold of the fabric, opening up into warrior two. So I spin my right heel back behind me. Left knee is bent. Taking the arms out wide, press that left arm into the fabric behind you. Breathe into your body, maybe gaze forward. Front ankle is underneath that knee. Then we'll inhale, press the ground away, try to straighten both legs, bring the palms up together. Exhale, bend into that knee, lowering down. Twice more. Inhale, both legs straighten. Exhale, left knee bends. Once more. And then exhale, hold it here. Then place the right hand behind you, reach over with the left. Then exhale, left arm to thigh, reach over with the right. Breathe. If you want to add a little bit more of a challenge, float that left arm up into the air. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straightening both legs, rise it up. Then exhale, rotate back over that right thigh, place the hands down, and then step that foot back. We're going to lift that right leg back into the strap. Scoot the hips back right on top of the fabric. Feet coming down. Exhale. One more round of breath. Nice. Then coming back into our plank. Nice and strong. My legs are lifted, core is engaged, shoulders over wrists. Then we're going to lift left hip, scooch it forward. Right hip lifts, scooch. Walking, walking, walking. Nice. So I'm just above my knees. Then I'm going to press into my right leg to lift my left leg up and out of the hammock, but then glue my ankle to the other supported leg. Then we'll inhale, tap that leg down. Exhale to lift. Inhale to tap. Exhale to lift. Inhale and exhale. Hold it here. Now we're going to start to lower that left hip down, left forearm to the ground. Coming into that side plank, you can just stay here, pressing down into that top leg, or inhale, lower leg taps. Exhale to lift. Inhale down. Exhale, lift. Once more. Inhale and exhale. Breathe. Now we're going to place right hand back down. If you need to step your bottom foot down to come up to your hands, you can. Then step that left leg forward. So spiral your hips together. Then inhale to rise up, keeping a bend in that front knee to start. Then exhale, hinge forward, sending that right leg back, hovering over that front thigh. Then inhale, both legs straighten. Pull that back leg in. Exhale, send that back leg behind you, hinging forward, bending into your left knee. Twice more. Inhale and exhale. Once more. You can also hold your handles here too if you need a little extra support. I should have mentioned that earlier. Whichever ones you can grab, that'll just help. So for next time. Then we're going to stand up nice and tall. Then I'm going to turn to face over my right shoulder, bend into my right knee, step that left foot back behind you, heel towards the corner of your mat. Opening up warrior two, that front ankle is under your front knee, bend. Breathing into your body, nice and strong, isometrically pulling your inner thighs together, but pressing out through the legs. Beautiful. Then we're going to inhale, straighten that right leg, bring palms together, pull your legs in. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale. Once more. Inhale. Then exhale, hold it here. Inhale, left hand back, right arm overhead, reverse warrior. Then exhale, forearm to thigh, side angle, inside the fabric. If you want more of a challenge, float that right arm up. Breathe for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then inhale, standing up, nice and tall. Exhale, spin that back knee down. Turn your left foot to face forward, hands to the earth. Sweep that foot back behind you. Slide that leg back in, coming up to the hips. Downward dog, you can walk your feet forward. Get a nice tug on the hips and the legs. 2 rounds of breath. Then nice and slow, walking the feet forward. Deep bend in the knees. Inhale, press down to rise up. Beautiful. We'll go ahead and sit into the hammock now. So coming in front, sitting down. Then I'm going to take my lowest straps, open up the fabric to place my heels in, or arches of the feet, actually. Arch of the foot. Then I'm going to place my arms behind the hammock and then slide my hips off. So again, the hammock is right underneath the shoulder blades, not the armpits. So then we're going to open these legs nice and wide. Soft bend in the knees always. Bringing your palms together or holding onto your handles, up to you. Then we're going to exhale, bend the knees, heels into the hips. Inhale, press the heels away, keep the bend in the knee. Exhale and inhale. Once more, exhale and inhale. Nice, then bringing the knees in, press them together, coming into a little bit of a tuck. Inhale, press the legs straight. Exhale, bend the knees. Twice more. Inhale and exhale. Last time. And exhale. Nice. So now I'm going to release the handles, arching back. Let the hips drop. Option to send the legs straight. You can bring your palms together. Maybe make a little pointer with your hands. Breathing in and out. One more round of breath. And nice and slow, hugging the knees into the chest. Then option, you can stay there or start to take your legs wide, drop your knees down, arching back behind you, grabbing hold of the straps. You can press your feet back into the strap as you pull the strap to the hammock or to your shoulders. Breathing in softly and out. Then nice and slow, bringing those legs back in front of you, coming into one last little tuck. 2 more rounds of breath. Nice. Thank you so much for joining. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, day 4. We're going to have so much fun. Join the Facebook groups, Yoga-Trapeze lovers and or Yoga-Trapeze tips and tricks. Leave me any questions, comments, feedback. I love talking with you and building this community. So let's do it together. Let's stick to it because 30 days is going to pass. Do you want to be stronger, healthier, more flexible, or do you want to be the same? Up to you. I'll see you tomorrow.